Hi guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a CPAGrip account and get approved. So without much ado, let's start right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open Google Chrome and you have to enter cpagrip.com, their website, and then you have to click register. And it's going to verify the browser. So yeah, when you're here, you have to put all your important details here. And then you have to click register now. So let me just do it and then we'll get back. All right guys, so I filled all the important details. The important ones are your name, your first name, your last name, your company name if you have any, and your email address, your password, your address, and you also have to put your Skype username. If you don't have one, then you have to create a Skype username because it's very important. That's how you are going to communicate with them later on. And you also have to enter your time zone as well. So after checking all these boxes, you have to click register now. So yes, that's easy as it is. Now you are on the home page of CPAGrip, and that's how you create an account and get approved. Once when you're here, that means you are approved, but to verify completely, what you have to do is you have to confirm your email address. They will send this verification link. Yeah, they have sent this verification email. And once we click the verification link, that's how easy it is. Our account is now verified and we can easily use CPAGrip now without any issue. So that was it. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again soon with some more content like this. So thank you so much.